Yeah, this is me walking down Dean. Yo, this is like bananas. This is crazy. Yeah, this man, damn. For real. Look at the streets, y'all. This is like bananas. This is crazy. Bananas. And on the street. Man, what the? You can't even clear up the stoop? Are you serious? Come on. This is like, oh. Yo, this is like, come on. Clean your stoop up, son. That's crazy. This is my neighborhood, the hood. What else is going on? Streets are still packed with snow. Brooklyn is looking mad nasty, son. Wow. It's crazy. Cutting up down Dean Street. I'm going to look in the street. Let's see what's going on around the corner. All right. Man. It's crazy. Snow plowing. This is Brooklyn Ave, called Stuck in the Middle of the Street. Ain't nobody coming down this way, for real. Look up, this is Brooklyn Ave. Man. Walking in the snow. Man. Are you serious? One bus stuck. Yeah, the bus stuck right here. Now this is crazy. We were just chilling. Coming up on another bus right here. A huge hill. Yeah, I hope y'all checking this joint out. This is bananas. This is crazy, y'all. Going by the bus. This is crazy. Are you serious? Ain't nobody on this bus? It's all mine. Yo. Are you serious?
They're not allowed to abandon the bus.
Oh man. And look at this dude. He's stuck right in the middle of Dean Street. Man digging himself out. He ain't going nowhere. Neither was I. Yo, son. I'm on a hill right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. No, shoot. Okay, y'all didn't see that.
What did you say?
Huh?
What's your final destination today?
They're gonna have to come down, aren't
This is crazy.
Well,
yo, this dude is stuck, son.
How long you been sitting here?
How long have you been here?
Yeah.
48 hours.
48 hours? You lied.
48 hours? Serious?
Bring you any food?
This is crazy.
Still got fuel.
No, but food.
No, we got the store around the corner.
You allowed to go to the store and come back?
Oh, yeah. Well, ain't nobody gonna feel the bus. They can't take it nowhere.
Dude been here 48 hours, man. Yo, this is this is crazy bananas. This is Brooklyn, y'all.
I'm not stuck in the snow. It's hot where I'm at. You know, I'm on the beach drinking some coconut water. Jamaica. Which one? Montego, I don't even know. I know that's where I should be. I never went to Jamaica.
That's crazy, man. This is crazy.